Tech stocks are paving the way for crypto pumps. Nintendo is contemplating a move to the Metaverse, and Meta is nosediving while the rest of the Metaverse soars. Tezos lands a huge sponsorship with the Red Devils. GameStop taps on the shoulder of Immutable for its NFT marketplace. Axie Infinity drops huge upgrades for Season 20. Solana Labs is backing a massive crypto wallet project, and Cardano and Meld are tackling DeFi for the bankless. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie, and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to keep your finger on the pulse of the hottest crypto news that you can use for your trades and investments. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Don't call it a comeback, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are riding some promising pumps. Bitcoin finds itself back over 40K, picking up nearly 10 points in the last 24 hours. And as for Ethereum, the altcoin is flirting with $3,000 for the first time in a while. And even Ether is seeing a 13-point pump in the last day. So it's looking like tech stocks are in the same trend as well, with the likes of Amazon gaining 15% overnight, which looks to have set the stage for the Bitcoin to rise. But this could be a short-term trend. Analysts are saying for the crypto market to truly shift, Bitcoin would have to break through and hold the $38,600 resistance. Can you imagine a metaverse with Super Mario or Pikachu in it? Well, you might not have to just sit back and imagine it. Nintendo has just dropped that they're looking into metaverse opportunities for its beloved games, but only if it's a good experience and doesn't ruin the joy that these games bring. But I'm still saying there's a chance. Right now, we have to wait and see, but it's nice to see Nintendo prioritizing the meaning behind their games before diving into NFTs and the Metaverse. Speaking of the Metaverse, the niche is flying high in the markets, while the likes of Meta is doing a nosedive. Meta Platforms has slid 26 points since Thursday, making it the biggest stock market losses that Mark Zuckerberg has ever seen, which come after showing disappointing earnings and active users pulling away from the platform. So in terms of losses, Meta's virtual and augmented reality R&D, Reality Labs, saw losses of over $10 billion, $4.5 billion more than the losses Reality Labs saw in 2020. Where's the drop coming from? Perhaps users are taking a step back and questioning the immersive metaverse idea, or centralized Web 2 models in general that don't share value of their networks with users. But if you're Decentraland or the Sandbox, it's a shot of good news. Mana has pumped 20 points in the last week, and Sand is also on a 17.5-point ride. Tezos is now a part of the Red Devils contingent. The blockchain is the newest sponsor for the Premier League's Manchester United Football Club, with the blockchain taking on a multi-year deal to have their logos on the training kit for at least £20 million per year, at least. So you can expect to see the new jerseys this year, as sources say that the promo content has already been shot and ready to go. Huge GameStop news. Immutable is partnering with the video game retailer to power its incoming NFT marketplace. And the pair are working to launch this NFT market by the end of the year. And they're also creating a fund of up to $100 million to provide grants to developers and studios to build an ecosystem around this marketplace. But the big question is, are gamers happy about NFTs entering the gaming world, or does it feel like a cash grab? Let me know in the comments. Axie Infinity is up to some big updates. Season 20 is coming up, and the crypto game is introducing some new changes in the lead up, including some economic balancing changes that will also level the playing field. For starters, Axie Infinity is eliminating adventure mode and daily quest rewards to maximize the social activities within the game, as well as fully rewarding players based on their skill level. There will also be a revamped PvP reward structure, more token burn mechanisms, and an eco-friendly system. So if you want to read the full article on these upgrades, head to Axie Infinity's Twitter page for all the details for Season 20. Solana Labs is now on board with Web3 Auth to build a collaborative digital wallet project that could eliminate seed phrases, but ultimately pave the way for full Web3 adoption. So there's no doubt that making the crypto wallet technology easier and more secure at the same time, which has already been adopted by over 500 apps. But before we see the fruits of that partnership, Solana still has to deal with this week's wormhole exploit on the Solana Ethereum bridge. And we have an in-depth article about what happened in this massive exploit that you need to check out on altcoinbuzz.io. So go ahead and click on the link on the screen. And lastly, Cardano and DeFi banking protocol Meld are bringing decentralized lending to the unbanked. Meld has launched a borrowing and lending protocol built on the Cardano blockchain, but this is specifically for people who don't have bank accounts. Over 2 billion people are bankless because they are so poor that they don't need them. So Meld is using this project as a way to offer financial tools that will leverage cryptocurrency assets as collateral for fiat or crypto loans. What do you think about this initiative? Let me know in the comments. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. So how do you feel about GameStop finding new life in NFTs? And should Nintendo bite the bullet and have a presence in the Metaverse? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified on our latest videos. And why not share our content with your friends? You can show them what else is happening on Altcoin Buzz. Here are some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.